Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to fix Snapchat connecting problems. If you're experiencing issues connecting to Snapchat on your Android device, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your phone is connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. A strong internet connection is essential for seamless access to Snapchat. Step 2. Restart Snapchat. Close the Snapchat application completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, restarting the app can help resolve temporary issues affecting connectivity. Step 3. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can refresh network connections and potentially resolve underlying connectivity problems with Snapchat. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Access the Settings menu on your Android phone, then navigate to the App Settings or Application Manager. Find Snapchat in the list of installed apps and clear the app cache and data. Note that clearing data will log you out of Snapchat, so ensure you have a backup of your chats if necessary. Step 5. Update Snapchat. Make sure you have the latest version of the Snapchat app installed on your Android phone. Outdated versions may cause connectivity issues. Check the Google Play Store for updates by searching for Snapchat and clicking the Update button if available. Step 6. Check storage space. Insufficient storage on your Android phone can lead to various issues, including connection problems with Snapchat. Make sure you have enough available storage for Snapchat to function properly by clearing unnecessary files or apps. Step 7. Enable or disable VPN. If you're using a VPN on your device, consider enabling or disabling it to see if it affects your Snapchat connectivity. VPN settings can sometimes interfere with the app's ability to connect to the server. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Snapchat connecting problems on your Android device. We hope this guide helps you resolve any issues you may be experiencing with connecting to Snapchat. Stay tuned for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.